Take control of your English. Mastering phrasal verbs with take. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating and essential part of English grammar, phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to unlock the mysteries of phrasal verbs that include the word take. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on how to use them and the contexts in which they're most appropriate. Before we dive into specific examples, let's do a quick refresher on what phrasal verbs are. They are unique phrases consisting of a verb and one or two particles, a preposition, an adverb, or both. The magic lies in the fact that these combinations result in meanings that are often drastically different from the individual words used. When it comes to take, it can combine with a multitude of particles to form phrasal verbs, each with their unique meanings. Now, let's explore some of the most common phrasal verbs with take and dive into their meanings. 1. Take off. This phrasal verb has two main meanings. In the context of an airplane, it means to leave the ground and start flying. In a more casual setting, it's often used to mean removing something, typically a piece of clothing. 2. Take up. When you take up something, it means you begin a new hobby or challenge. 3. Take on. This refers to accepting a task or responsibility. 4. Take over. This means to assume control or responsibility of something. 5. Take back. This could mean to return something to a place, or it can be used when someone wants to retract something they said. 6. Take down. This refers to the act of dismantling or defeating someone or something. Now that we've learned about these phrasal verbs, let's see them in action in some sentences. 1. The plane is expected to take off at 6 p.m. She took off her coat as soon as she entered the house. 2. I've decided to take up painting during the summer. 3. Our team will take on the new project starting next week. 4. My assistant will take over my duties while I'm on vacation. 5. He had to take back his words after realizing his mistake. Can you take this book back to the library? 6. The team managed to take down their rivals in the final match. Phrasal verbs can seem tricky at first, but with practice, they become second nature. Remember, using phrasal verbs correctly will not only make your English more fluent but also more natural and versatile. And with that, we've taken in a lot today about phrasal verbs with take. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. That's it for today. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you in our next video where we'll take up another exciting topic.